Hello student, welcome to next practical of web page designing with HTML. Today we see the practical number 12, that is create a web page for demonstration of CSS by applying internal, external, inline style. Okay, so first before this practical, first we see what is CSS. Okay, so simple CSS is the cascading style sheet, is a simple mechanism of describing how documents are present on screen. Okay, so by using CSS we can set the content style of HTML page. Okay, cascade style sheet provide easy and effective alternative to specify various attributes for HTML tag. Okay, so in this practical we demonstrate the use of CSS and improve in content visibility and accessibility. Okay, so these are the practical significance of this practical. Next, the relevant program outcome is discipline, knowledge, experiment and practice, engineering tool, individual and teamwork and communication. So these are some program outcome of this practical. Okay, some theoretical background is given in your manual. All students read the all theoretical background. First, CSS stand for cascading style sheet, and it is the language used to style the visual presentation of web page. Okay, so in simple word, CSS used to set the style of the content. Okay, simple, I want to set heading 1 as red in bold, that time we use the CSS is the better option to set the style of the visual presentation, or you can say web page. CSS is the language that tell web browser how to render the different part of the web page. Render means display. Okay, display the various part of web page. CSS syntax include sectors, properties, value, declaration block, rule set, add rules and statements. Okay, so first is sector. Sector is the code snipped used to identify the web page element or element that are to be affected by the style. Okay, so that is sector. Then property is the aspect of the element that is to be affected. For example, color, padding, margin, background color are some of the most commonly used CSS properties. Okay, then next a value is used to define property. Okay, property रहेगा और उसका कुछ ना कुछ value रहेगा. For example, the property color might be given the value of red. Okay, for example, color colon red semicolon. Okay, the mechanism of property and value is called as declaration. Okay, so this combination is called as declaration. In many cases, multiple declaration are applied to the single sector. A declaration block is term used to refer to all the declarations applied to the single sector. Okay, so let's see, we see one by one. A single sector and declaration block that follow the combination of the reference to called as rule set. Okay, so simple. ये एक सेक्टर हो गया, H1 इज द सेक्टर. ओके, दैट इज आवर फर्स्ट पॉइंट सेक्टर. यहाँ पे सेक्टर क्या है, H1. देन कलर इज द प्रॉपर्टी. ओके, कलर क्या है, प्रॉपर्टी. देन रेड इज द वैल्यू. ओके, एंड दिस टोटल लाइन कलर सेमीकोलन रेड, color colons red semicolon, this is called as declaration. Okay, then next one is declaration block. So all these here is first declaration, this is second declaration, next third declaration. So total 3 declaration is called as declaration block, and from H1 to here total is called as rule set. Okay, so basically we understand 3 main part. First one is this is sector, and then properties and value. Okay, so here is one example. In this example, H1 is the sector, is followed by the declaration block that include the 3 declarations. Each declaration is separated from next by the semicolon. The tab and line break are the options but used by most developer to make the CSS code more human readable. Okay, by using H1 as a sector, we are saying that every level 1 heading on the web page should follow the declaration contained in this rule set. Okay, the rule set contains 3 declarations. So these 3 are the declarations. The color red, font size 3 cm, text declaration underline. Okay, So next main point is how there are three way to link the CSS rule to HTML document. Okay, तीन वे से आप कर सकते हो. First one is inline style, second one internal style, and third one external style. Let's see one by one. First is inline style. Okay, in inline style and applied to specific HTML element, the HTML attribute style is used to define the rule that only apply to the specific element. Here is the example. Okay, if I want to perform or give some style to h1, so in h1 I write style attribute, and in style attribute in double quote I'll write color colon red semicolon padding colon 10 px. Okay, so this is first declaration, then padding is second declaration, and text declaration. Okay, then here h1 is closed and example heading heading tag is closed. Okay, so by this way we can declare some style so by using style attribute. Okay, so this style, this way is called as inline style. Next one, internal style. Most of programmer use this style. The earlier example in the tutorial use internal style. Okay, so here in head there is write a style tag, and in style tag h1. Okay, h1 is the sector, color red, padding, and text. So this is the code which is right in the style code. Okay, and then style tag is closed. Okay, so this type of declaration or this type of way is called as internal style sheet. Okay, next one is external style sheet. In that we can create two different file. One is HTML file and second one is .css file. Okay, so write this code in notepad and save by .css, style.css. Okay, and then in HTML we use link tag to link this file to web page. Okay, so for that link rel is equal to style sheet, type is text/css, and h reference is equal to file name. Okay, so this is called an external style sheet. Okay, so by three way we can create or apply the style to the web page. So let's see one simple example how we can. Okay, here I write some code. First one HTML. In this example I use the internal style sheet. Okay, so HTML head, then style. Style is the tag used to define the CSS code. Okay, CSS का जो भी कोड है वो आप style tag में लिख सकते हो. ओके, सो स्टाइल में मैंने फर्स्ट दिया है h1, कलर रेड, पैडिंग 10 px, फॉन्ट साइज इज 100, टेक्स्ट डिक्लेरेशन अंडरलाइन. ओके, सो यहाँ पे h1 क्लोज हो गया. देन h2 के लिए कलर ब्लू, पैडिंग टेक्स्ट 10 px, देन टेक्स्ट डिक्लेरेशन अंडरलाइन. ओके, here style is closed. So all the code regarding the CSS we write in the style tag. Then head close, body open, h1 h2. Here I defined h1 and h2, body close, and HTML close. So see, this is simple example to apply the internal style sheet to the HTML document. Okay, save this program. Okay, I already saved this program. So this is your output. Okay, my first page. Okay, so for heading 1 I set the color red. Yeah, here color red, padding is 10, and font size is 100. Okay, if I change the font size 50, then again save or change the color. यहाँ पे मैंने color change कर दिया green. Okay, save करो. If you refresh the page, that time it gives the style. It applies the style to your web page. So this is simple practical number 12 to apply the style sheet to the HTML document. Okay, our student try to perform this exercise. Thank you.